Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very fine and studying at home for your half-yearly exam, practicing maths. Okay. Now again I am here, your maths teacher, with revision time exercise, and we have done so many questions of that exercise. Only 2 questions remains. Okay. So today we will do those 2 remaining questions. So all of you open your book and open page number 54 and open your notebooks also, new page in your notebook, and write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write this side. Write here today's date. What is the date today? Write here. Okay, and open page number 54. Page number 54. So the question that we are doing today is question number 4 and question number 7. Okay, today we will do question number 4 and question number 7. So start writing with me. I am writing on the board and you copy from the board. Okay, you copy from the board. So write question 4. Question number 4. And what is the question? Fill in the blanks with. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with symbols. Which symbols? The symbol of less than, the symbol of greater than, and symbol of equals to. Okay, or equals to. So you have to fill in the blanks. You have to compare the given numbers, and after comparing the number you have to fill in the blanks with the symbols of less than, greater than, and equals to. So first of all we will write all the questions, okay, and then we will fill the blank. So what is the first question? What are the numbers given? 45. Then make one box and then write 54. Write B. 78. Then write one box and then write 24. Another C. 3, 6, 36. Then make one box. Then write 8, 9, 89. Okay. Then after C, write D. 48. Then again make one box and then write 57. Write E. 86. Then make one box. Then write 76. Now last question 55. Then again make one box here and 84. Okay. So these are some questions that are given in your book. So first you copy all the questions from the board. Students, after writing the number, you drop one box here, leave one box, and then make a blank box, and then again here you leave one box and write then 54. Okay, so that your work will look neatly. Don't make hodgepodge your work. Okay, so I hope all of you have copied the question. Now let us solve it. Now look at the board. What is our first step? First step is to read the numbers, what the number is given. So see what is the number here. 4 5 is 45. 4 5 45 and here 5 4 54. So between 45 and 54, which number is greater? Which number is bigger? Or which number is larger? We use three words: larger, bigger or greatest. The meaning of all three words are same. So 45 and 54. So which number is smaller? 45 is smaller and 54 is greater number. So which symbol will come here? Symbol of less than. Why the symbol of less than? Because 45 is smaller and 54 is greater. So the mouth of crocodile will be open towards the greater number and close towards smaller number. So this is the sign of less than. Okay. So make here sign of less than. Symbol of less than. Now see what is the next question. Question B. What are the numbers given? 7 8 78 and 2 4 24. What are the numbers? 7 8 78 and 2 4 24. So number 78 is the bigger number and 24 is smaller number. So the sign of greater than will come. Now see the next question. The numbers are 3 6 36 and 8 9 89. So 36 is a smaller number and 89 is bigger number. Okay. So the sign of less than. See now the next question. The numbers are 4 8 48 and 5 7 57. 4 8 48 5 7 57. So the bigger number will be, which is the bigger number between the two given numbers? Identify. Bigger number is 57 and smaller number is 48. So what we will do? We will make the sign of less than. This is the sign of less than. Now the next question E. Here the number given is 86 and here the number given is 76. Read again. 8 6 86 and 7 6 76. Now identify. Again identify the bigger number. Which is the bigger number between 86 and 76? Bigger number is 86. So the sign of greater than. Now the last question F. See what are the numbers given there? 5 5 55 and 8 4 84. So which number is bigger? 84 is bigger and this is a smaller number. So the sign of less than. Copy it fast. Then I will give you some extra question to do yourself. So try to solve those questions. First you write these questions fast. Okay, I hope you all have copied. Now I am writing some extra questions. So try to solve these questions. Just continue continue after you have written 4. Write G. Okay. Don't take new page. Continue from same page. After F, write G and write the question. 5858 and write another number. 8585. H 1313 1111. 7474 5353. J 6969 and 7171. K 100 and 9898. Eight 48 and 2929. So try to solve this question fast. I will give you few minutes. Write question fast and fill in the blanks with the symbol of greater than, less than or equals to. Now check your answers. Look at the board. Check your answers. Read the number 58 and 85. 58 and 85. Now identify the smaller and the bigger number. Smaller number is 58 and bigger number is 85. So this is the smaller number. So we place here the sign of small, less than. Okay. If here the number is bigger, then we place here the symbol of greater than. But here this is the smaller number. So what we will do? We will make the sign of smaller than, symbol of less than. Okay. Now see what is the next number. 1, 3, 13 and 1, 1, 11. 13 and 11. So which number is bigger between these two numbers? 13 is bigger number than 11. So this is bigger number. So the sign of greater than will be here. Now see the next question. The numbers are 74 and 53. Okay. What are the two given numbers? 74 and 53. So identify the bigger number and smaller number. The bigger number is 74 and the smaller number is 53. So this is the bigger number. So we place here the sign of greater than. I hope you all have put the correct symbol. Okay. Now see, check the next question. The numbers are 69 and 71. Okay. What are the numbers? 69 and 71. So 69 is smaller number and 71 is bigger number. Okay. 69 is smaller and 71 is bigger. So this is a smaller number. Therefore, in the box, which symbol will come? The symbol of less than. Now the next question K. 100, 100 and 98, 98. 100, 100 and 98. So the bigger number is 100 and smaller number is 98. So this is bigger number, therefore the sign of greater than will come. Now see the last question. Numbers are 48 and 29. The given numbers are 48, 48 and 29, 29. So compare, 48 is bigger number and 29 is smaller number. So 48 is bigger number, therefore the sign of greater than will come. Those who have not done, write fast from the board, copy correctly. Now the last question is left, that is question number 7. Okay, the next question, last question. Copy the question. First we will read the question. What is the question? All of you have book. So see question number 7, the last question of revision time exercise given on page number 54. Question number 7. Read with me. What is the question given? Circle the smallest number. What is the question given? What is the first statement given? Circle the smallest number. That means some numbers are given to you and you have to identify the smallest number and you have to circle that smallest number. Okay? And underline the biggest number, and then you have to identify the biggest number and you have to underline the biggest number. Okay, so let's write the question. Question number 7. Circle the, write with me, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle the, T-H-E, the, circle the smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Circle the smallest number and A-N-D, and. Underline U-N-D-E-R, underline, L-I-N-E, line. Underline the biggest number, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest number, N-U-M-B-E-R. So first copy the question fast. What is the question? Circle the smallest number and underline the biggest number. Write fast. Only 2 questions are given, A and B. So first we will solve the 2 questions, 2 given questions that is given in the book, and then I will give you some extra question, so you solve yourself. Okay. This question is given in book also, in book question number 7. So if you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from the book also. Okay, the same question is given in book. Okay, now write the first question that is given in the book. Numbers are 2, 5, 25. So what you will do? You will leave one box. After writing one number, you leave one box. What is the another number? 28, 28, 39, 39, comma. This is a symbol of comma. How do we read this symbol as comma? 3 to 32, then put comma and write 3 6 36. These are the numbers that given in question number A. So first write all the numbers, copy all the numbers. Okay, now let us solve. First, we read all the given numbers. 2 5 25, 2 8 28, 3 9 39, 3 2 32 and 3 6 36. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to identify the smallest number. And after identifying the smallest number, we have to circle the smallest number. So identify the smallest number between these 5 given numbers. Which is the smallest number? See, what is the number at tens place? Here the tens place number is 2. Here the tens place number is 2. Okay, and here 3, 3 and 3. That means the smallest number will be between these two numbers, 25 and 28. So between 25 and 28, which is the smallest number? Now see, it's ones place digit, 5 and 8. 5 and 8, between 5 and 8, the smallest number is 5. That means the smallest number between these 5 given number is 25. So circle 25 because this is the smallest number. Now identify the biggest number. The biggest number 39, 32 and 36. So which is the biggest number between 39, 32 and 36 and 28? The biggest number is 39. So what we have to do? We have to underline the biggest number. So in this way, you have to write the answer. You have to circle the smallest number and underline the biggest number. Now the one more question that is given. B 75, comma 78, comma 79, comma 72 and last number is 76. So first of all, copy all the numbers. Now identify the smallest number. First identify the smallest number. See, observe this question. In this question, the tens place is similar in all the digits. Here is also 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7. So what we have to? We have to compare only the digit at its ones place. So identify the digit 5, 8, 9, 2 and 6. 5, 8, 9, 2, 6. So the smallest number between 5, 8, 9, 2 and 6 is 2. Okay, 2 is the smallest. That's why 72 is the smallest number. So circle 72. Circle 72. Now the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? The biggest number is 79. So circle the number 79. So these two questions are given in the book. One more extra question I am writing here. So try to solve this question. 15, 25, 11, 78 and 53. These are the numbers that I have written. 15, 25, 11, 78 and 53. So what you have to do? You have to identify the smallest number and you have to circle that number, and after that you have to identify the biggest number and underline the number. So try to solve this question yourself. Check your answer. Which is the smallest number? 15, 25, 11, 78 and 53. Smallest number is 1111. So circle this number 1111, and the biggest number, the largest number is 78. So you underline this. Okay. Now I hope you understood how to solve this question after identifying the smallest number and the biggest number. So here we have completed our revision time exercise also, and as a revision also we have completed. Okay. So for today it is sufficient. So practice for your half yearly exam all the question and syllabus I have already given you on the WhatsApp group, that first chapter, second chapter and third chapter. Okay. So practice these questions. Bye students, have a nice day.